Alright, class, today we're going to create a Roman profile and home folders. So we're going to go, well, we're starting off with Server 2008. We're clicking on Start, Administrative Tools. We're going to Active Directory Users and Computers. Okay, so we're going to Users, it's already selected. And we're going to right click in Users, click New, go to User. Oh, well, I do apologize. Right, so we're going to click, okay, so we're going to create a user. So we're going to call that user for the purpose of this video, we're going to go with last name. Okay, so we're going to, sorry, we're going to go with Blake. And we're going to choose the logon name as Denicia, D-N-I-C-I-A-B-L-E. Okay, Denicia Blake at swest.com. We're going to create a password, but I'm going to give the password simple. We're going to name it PASSWORD. We're going to uncheck this option and we're going to check the two middle options. User cannot change password and the password never expires. So we're going to click next. Brian Denicia Blake at swest.com. Click finish. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go and create a complex password. So we're going to put capital P, A, $2, but the two S's, SS, W, 0, RD, P, A, $2, W, O, well, W0, RD. So we're going to click next. The passwords do not match. Okay, so we're going to try again. Capital P, A, two S's, $2, W0 RD. So we're going to go capital P, A, $2, W0 RD. Let's see if that works. Alright. So our user here, Denicia Blake. Okay. Alright, so we're going to right click on Denicia Blake, go to properties. Alright. Well, here we can add some additional information to the user. So we're going to go to the profile, which is where we want. But first, before we go to there, we're going to go into computer. We're going to go into the local disk C. Right click, new folder. We're going to go to name this Roman profiles. Going to click properties, sharing, and we're going to share. We're going to click to everyone, add, and we're going to go to co-owner. We're going to share. Alright, so we're going to done, and we're going to copy this server part. Copy. Click close here. And we're going back here. We're going to paste backslash send sign username send sign. Going to click apply, and there it has come up. We're going to Okay, all right. So now we're going to go into the Vista profile. We're going to log out, right, and log back in using the username and password. Okay, so we're going to insert control or delete, switch user, other user, and we're going to go Inisia, we're going to type in. Alright, so you see we logged on, we're getting in to, well, we've successfully created the roaming profile for um, alright, as you can see, we've created a roaming profile. I should probably change this. Okay, right, so no, that's good. That's good, yeah, that's good. Okay, so as you can see here, we went into the roaming profiles and we've seen that they've logged in. Right. Right, so this is the folder here for Denise Blake. So we're going to minimize this and go on to testing our roaming profile. So we're going on our desktop, we're going to click folder and we're going to put, let's see, what can we put here? We could put test, but let's give it an original name. OSP exam. No, OSP project. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Let's create. We can go into the folder and create a new text document and call that assignment 1. Open it. Just type random stuff. Oh gosh, no, random stuff here because this. Oh my god, spelling is poor because it's just a test. So click, see, right? You can even create a new briefcase if you want to. Call it thing. Good lord, I hope I spelled it correctly. Alright, I did spell that correctly. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so I'm going to log off of here now. Alright, and I'm going to log back in the Windows 7 um, to log into the Windows 7 profile, Windows 7 OS operating system. So let's go switch user, other user, and we're going to do the same thing. Ta-da! Okay, so as you can see here, we have well, the information that was on when we logged into Vista and we made changes. We have successfully logged on to Denise Blake on the Windows 7 machine, and it is currently dark. I do not know why. Okay, right, so we're going to go in here, and you can see it's just a test, right? So that is, well, there's nothing here. Okay, so, right, so we've successfully created this lines. Okay, so we're going to choose, let's choose some very lovely characters. I love the characters. So we're going to change characters. Yee, pretty. Alright, so now we're going to create a home folder. So we're going to go into Silver 2008. Okay, so we're going to go to Start, Computer, Local Disk, Local Disk, and create a folder called, we'll just go Home, delete Home folder. So we're going to do the same thing as we did with the Roman profiles. Let's click Properties, go to Sharing, let's click Share, Everyone, let's add co-owner, share. Okay, so we're done with that. Let's click Close, and we're going to go into the User, Properties, we're going to Profile, and here, well, Properties. So we're going to click Copy. I forgot to copy this silver part. Alright, so we're going to connect to, and we're going to give it a drive number. So let's go to, let's see, let's make sure. Okay, so we're going to give it a drive number. So we're going to go with G. Paste the folder name, /, I'm going to go to percent username, percent again, right, apply, so the name came in there. Alright, so I'm going to go into Windows 7 as I'm just here. I'm going to log off and log back in so that you can see that I have successfully created the home folder. Right, so we're going to go to Computer, and okay, let's log off then. Okay, so right, let's see if that works. Okay, so we're going to go in to Computer, and there we have it. We have successfully created the Windows, we successfully created a roaming profile and a home folder for on Windows Server 2008. Goodbye and see you soon for my next tutorial.